here's how you can add syntax before your link to perform a certain action. One function of a link is to open the page viewer's email software. To add in an email function into your website, select the content panel from the gray navigation bar. Click into the page you would like to add the email link into. Highlight the text within the description field and click on the hyperlink icon. In the URL field, input mailto: and then the email address you would like your users to email. We're going to use mail2:support@gospacecraft.com. Select Add and it will generate a link. Most modern smartphones will turn phone numbers into click-to-call links automatically within the mobile browser. But if you need to add a click-to-call link into your website, you can do this by adding a special action to your hyperlink. To add in a telephone number with a click-to-call function into your website, highlight the text within the description and click on the hyperlink icon. In the URL field, input tel: and then the phone number. For example, we're going to use our SpaceCraft support phone number. Select Add and it will generate a link. If you want your user to be able to text the phone number attached, input SMS: and then your phone number. We can also follow these steps within your design panel with inline editing. First, select Design from the gray navigation bar. Highlight the text you would like to change and click on the hyperlink icon within the menu. And just like before, input tel: or SMS: or set up a click to email with mail2: Select Save and it will generate the link. If you still have questions, email support@gospacecraft.com. For helpful articles and more videos, check out support.gospacecraft.com.